Learn English to Gujarati clothing words, clothing to.
Kapda.
Shirt to.
Shirt.
Welcome to the chaotic closet. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through a very dramatic wardrobe disaster. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat the Gujarati words out loud with me. This morning, I opened my closet and it exploded like it had personal opinions. Out flew all my
Kapda.
and landed on the bed, the chair, and somehow on the lamp. I shouted, "Why are my clothing items more active than I am before breakfast?" First, I grabbed a
Shirt.
then I found a
T-shirt.
hiding under a pillow like it was training for spy school. A warm
Sweater.
slid off the chair, a
Jacket.
hung proudly by the door, a fancy
Kapdu.
sparkled in the mirror, and my
Juta.
waited by the entrance like two loyal bodyguards. And yes, for reasons no one can explain, there was also a
Pipe.
and a
Patthar.
in the middle of the room. That is not normal clothing, but it is excellent vocabulary. Your core words today. Let's make the main words feel easy and memorable. Listen, repeat, and imagine each item clearly. Clothing is.
Kapda.
Imagine your whole closet bursting with.
Kapda.
Shirt is.
Shirt.
A clean blue.
Shirt.
Is ready for the day. T-shirt is.
T-shirt.
Soft, casual, and probably your lazy Sunday champion.
T-shirt.
Pullover is.
Sweater.
When winter arrives dramatically, you reach for a.
Sweater.
Jacket is.
Jacket.
Zip it up.
Jacket.
Dress is.
Kapdu.
Picture a bright party.
Kapdu.
Shoes are.
Juta.
They live near the door and judge your life choices.
Juta.
Bonus surprise word. Hose is.
Pipe.
Not clothing, unless your fashion plan has gone terribly wrong. Bonus surprise word. Rock is.
Patthar.
Also not clothing, and even less comfortable than the hose. The dressing room comedy. Now jump into a short story and hear the words in action. Try to picture the scene like a cartoon. I stood in front of the mirror and said, "Today I will look organized." The mirror laughed silently. I picked up my
Shirt.
but then I changed my mind and wore a
T-shirt.
2 seconds later I felt cold, so I added a
Sweater.
then I felt too warm, so I grabbed a
Jacket.
instead. In the corner, a beautiful
Kapdu.
seemed to whisper, "Choose elegance." My
Juta.
seemed to whisper, "Choose balance first." Sensible shoes. Finally I looked at the mountain of
Kapda.
and said, "You are all wonderful, but only one outfit can win." At that exact moment, I stepped on the
Patthar.
tripped over the
Pipe.
and lost the argument with my closet. Useful mini sentences. Nice work. Now let's turn the words into short, practical lines you can actually remember. I bought new clothing for winter. In Gujarati, new.
Kapda.
The
Shirt.
is blue. Say the key word again.
Shirt.
I bought a new.
T-shirt.
Yesterday. I wear a.
Sweater.
In winter. My.
Jacket.
Is warm. She bought a beautiful.
Kapdu.
My.
Juta.
Are near the door. The gardener uses a.
Pipe.
To water the plants. The.
Patthar.
Is heavy. Call and repeat drill. Your turn now. I say the English word, then you say the Gujarati word after the pause. Clothing.
Kapda.
Shirt.
Shirt.
T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Pullover.
Sweater.
Jacket.
Jacket.
Dress.
Kapdu.
Shoes.
Juta.
Hose.
Pipe.
Rock.
Patthar.
Quick quiz from the closet floor. Let's see what's stuck in your brain. No pressure, just playful practice. What is the Gujarati word for clothing?
Kapda.
What is shirt?
Shirt.
What is t-shirt?
टी-शर्ट,
What do you wear in winter? A pullover.
स्वेटर,
What is jacket?
जैकेट,
What is dress?
कपड़ू,
What are shoes?
जूता,
What strange garden item appeared in our closet story? Hose.
पाइप,
What painful object on the floor was rock?
पत्थर,
Friendly ending. You did it. Your closet is now more educational than dangerous. Today you practiced clothing words in English and Gujarati.
कपड़ा, शर्ट, टी-शर्ट, स्वेटर, जैकेट, कपड़ू,
And,
जूता,
plus the surprise guests.
पाइप,
And,
पत्थर.
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and soon these Gujarati words will feel as familiar as your favorite.
टी-शर्ट,